ready to transform your garden with the latest gadgets and tools. From hassle-free weeding to efficient watering, we've got you covered. Join us to explore the surprising innovations that can elevate your gardening game. Number 1. Husqvarna Automower. NERA. The number 1 pick in the gadget list is Husqvarna Automower NERA. This trailblazing robotic lawnmower is the epitome of innovation, offering a wire-free wonderland for your larger lawns. With the EPOS plug-in kit, setup is a breeze and customization is king. Tailor your mowing schedule, create stay-out zones, and define areas with ease via the smartphone app. The mower's intelligent object avoidance technology ensures safe navigation around wildlife, toys, and other obstacles, while its excellent terrain performance adeptly manages steep and complex lawns. Get ready to experience the future of lawn care. Effortless, efficient, and utterly extraordinary. Number 2. GARDENA Smart Garden Sprinkler. The next gadget in the line is GARDENA Smart Garden Sprinkler, which makes taking care of your garden easy. It's an app-controlled system that helps you water your plants just the right amount. It has sensors that check the soil moisture and weather forecast to avoid overwatering. You can control it all from your phone and even get tips on how to care for your plants. The GARDENA Smart app simplifies setup with a watering wizard, optimizing schedules based on sunrise, sunset, and local weather forecasts to prevent overwatering. The app also features a plant library with information on over 3,000 plants and an intelligent recognition function to identify unknown species in your garden. It's a great way to keep your garden healthy and beautiful without wasting water or time. Number 3. Tertill the Weeding Robot. The next in the series is Tertill, the Weeding Robot. Is your backyard's best friend, tirelessly maintaining your garden with minimal effort. Powered by solar energy, Tertill lives in your garden, working rain or shine to keep it weed-free. Its special wheels are designed to kill emerging weeds before they take root, while the built-in string trimmer efficiently chops down any sprouted weeds. With Tertill on duty, you can enjoy a beautifully maintained garden without the hassle of constant weeding. Number 4. SONOFF Soil Moisture Sensor. Unlock the secret to becoming a plant whisperer with the next gadget down the SONOFF Soil Moisture Sensor, MS01. This game-changing gadget lets you monitor the moisture levels in your pot plants and flowers with ease, ensuring they're always happy and healthy. Compatible with the SONOFF Smart Switch, it's a breeze to set up and use. Plus, with voice control through Alexa and Google Home, you can check in on your plants without even lifting a finger. It's the perfect solution for busy plant lovers, and can even be used to create a DIY automated watering system. Your plants will thank you. Number 5. Roamwild Squirrel-Proof Bird Feeder. Introducing the ultimate garden gadget, the Roamwild Squirrel-Proof Bird Feeder. This ingenious device keeps squirrels and larger pests out while allowing birds to feast on seeds. Its smart mechanism automatically closes feeding ports when heavier animals try to access the food, ensuring a squirrel-free zone. Durable and weather-resistant, this low-maintenance garden gadget is a must-have for bird lovers, providing a hassle-free way to attract a variety of species to your garden. Number 6. STARBERRY MD2. The STARBERRY MD2 is a revolutionary tool for blueberry farmers. It's the first electric hook shaker, making harvesting much faster and easier. This handheld device shakes blueberry bushes at high speed, collecting more fruit than manual methods. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it lasts 3-4 hours and recharges in just 2 hours. The STARBERRY MD2 is lightweight, weighing less than 1 kilogram, making it easy to use for hours without fatigue. This innovative tool saves farmers time and effort, increasing productivity and efficiency in blueberry harvesting. It's a game changer for the industry. Number 7. Groundskeeper Scoop Shovel. The Groundskeeper Scoop Shovel is a 7th nominee in Gadget Game, the must-have tool for gardeners. Its wide mouth makes it easy to scoop up large amounts of leaves, soil, or debris. The built-in sifter helps separate unwanted materials from soil or mulch, making garden cleanup a breeze. This versatile tool is perfect for tidying up your garden, and its durable design makes it easy to use. With the Groundskeeper Scoop Shovel, you can efficiently move materials, remove debris, and keep your garden looking its best. It's a simple but effective tool that will save you time and effort in the garden. Number 8. Sunjoe 24 Phi Cordless Hand Chainsaw. The 8th best gadget is the Sunjoe 24V Cordless Hand Chainsaw, which is a handy garden gadget that makes pruning and trimming a breeze. This lightweight powerhouse weighs only 5.5 pounds and can cut through branches up to 4.5 inches thick with ease. Its cordless design and safety features give you the freedom to tackle yard work without hassle. Perfect for trimming hedges, cutting firewood, and maintaining your garden. This gadget is a must-have for any homeowner. Its reliability and ease of use make it a great addition to your gardening toolkit, helping you keep your outdoor space looking its best. Number 9. WOLF-Garten Leaf Rake. Raking leaves and collecting them can be a daunting autumn task, but at number 9, we got best solution for a hassle-free fall cleanup with WOLF-Garten Multi-Star 4-in-1 Leaf Rake makes it efficient and easy. Its ergonomic design enables quick gathering, and the adjustable working width, 20, 48, or 76 centimeters, fits any garden size. The multi-star system allows for comfortable, upright use, reducing strain. Disassemble the rake into 3 parts for easy storage. Make leaf raking a breeze with this versatile tool, perfect for maintaining your garden space with ease. Number 10. TOMCAT Mole Trap. The TOMCAT Mole Trap is an essential garden gadget for protecting your lawn from destructive moles. Designed for safety and ease of use, this hands-free trap effectively eliminates moles, helping you maintain the pristine yard you've worked so hard to create. Unlike traditional traps, TOMCAT's innovative design allows for quick setup and easy relocation, ensuring your lawn stays beautiful and mole-free. Say goodbye to moles with TOMCAT, the ultimate garden protector. Number 11. WOLF-Garten Thistle Remover. 11th on our list of top recommendations is the WOLF-Garten Thistle Remover. With its simple twist and pull motion, it easily extracts thistle roots. Pair it with a multi-star handle for effortless weeding, adjustable to your height with one click. This innovative tool simplifies weeding tasks, saving time and effort. Say goodbye to stubborn thistles and hello to a beautiful weed-free garden. Say goodbye to stubborn thistles and hello to a beautiful weed-free garden. Number 12. LimbZipper. Meet LimbZipper. The next gadget in the line is the ultimate garden gadget for effortless tree trimming. This 2.2 meter long tool makes quick work of tough branches, giving you precise cuts with ease. Say goodbye to pruning struggles and hello to a perfectly manicured yard. With LimbZipper, you can tackle even the hardest wood types like oak and cedar with confidence. This game-changing tool is a must-have for any homeowner, making tree care a breeze and redefining the way we maintain our gardens. Number 13. Aquor Water Systems. Removable Faucet. Last but surely not the least in squad of 13 is the Aquor Water Systems Removable Faucet. It attaches and detaches in a snap with or without a garden hose. Plus, the ball valve shutoff makes regulating water flow a breeze. And with its 70 degrees angled handle, you get extra leverage for a smooth connection every time. Trust us, your garden setup just got a whole lot simpler. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden tips and gadget reviews. Drop a comment below with any questions or suggestions, and see you in the next video.